Screenshot of your birthday plus personality on Google. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you how you can do and where to find this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go out of our Instagram app, then go to your favorite browser and search for your birthday on Google. So you can add in your month. In my case it's June, and after that you have to add in your day. In my case 16. Then you have to write personality and click on go. And now you have to screenshot this text, which I will do right now, and we will use this on Instagram. So now the next step is going to your Instagram app, then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to March dump at highlights. If you go to my stories, then you have to know that they will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to March dump, you will definitely find your add yours sticker. Click on that. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so you can check that. Now tap until you find your favorite and your desired sticker. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I also have a YouTube tutorial for this problem in the description box below. So now we will just have to go to our uploads and choose the screenshot that we did earlier. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, add a color if you like, but I will leave it just like this. And now you can share this story with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I will post more content like this soon. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer to them and help you out as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.